Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, sitting on a pullback as we do have our 20 crossing below our 50, typically showing us that we are shifting from bullish momentum to bearish momentum. What exactly would be our confirmation on that continuation on lower, and what exactly would give us that bullish momentum to show us that we are confirming to the upside? That has been a lot of people's questions. I want to make sure we did answer that today as we are leading into this week. Again, tomorrow the market will be closed. So I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for leading into Tuesday. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's jump right into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here again, recapping on overall what we have been sitting on with this momentum has been, again, anticipation of that possible Fed pivot from Nick Timiraos mentioning that possible Fed pivot. So again, keeping in mind that we are sitting overall on that anticipation, we are now losing that anticipation, looking to see if we will get confirmation with our 20-day crossing below our 50 and getting that possible confirmation on that engulfing candle to the downside. That has been our bearish case scenario that we have been going over. Again, prior, as you guys can see, we came back, retested our 20 just like we may do going into this week, retesting our 20, looking for confirmation on that continuation on lower. As you guys can see here, getting that area of balance, getting confirmation on that continuation on lower, giving us that engulfing candle here, showing us a clear continuation on lower here. Again, that engulfing candle was our whole body covering our prior day's body here, giving us confirmation. So again, we're looking for confirmation bouncing off of our 20 to the downside is exactly what happened prior and what we are looking for here as we do have our 20 crossing below our 50. However, again, with our decrease in sell pressure, do we have a possible bullish case scenario? Can our 12 EMA cross back over our 26? That is what bulls are looking for, to see if we could possibly continue back up above the median of our MACD. Again, this has been what exactly we're looking for as far as that bullish case scenario. Again, recapping on our weekly chart, rejecting the bottom end of our 20 weekly moving average and making sure that we do not continue on with this rejection to the downside. We do have wicks to the downside, so we have a possible bullish case scenario. If we happen to have a spike, we jump back above our 20 and then we get our 20 to start to curl back up here on our 20 weekly moving average and then cross back over our 50. Then we would be more interested in that bullish case scenario if we were jumping back over our 20 at that point in time. However, at this point, we are looking at that bearish case scenario if we continue on with this rejection below our 20 weekly moving average. So again, going back to the daily chart based on that, again, looking for that confirmation with that engulfing candle to the downside. If we do happen to get bullish momentum, the bulls are definitely more interested in getting that proof of concept above the up end of our channels. We have been getting multiple rejections on the up end of our channel. Again, that has been our watch for the last month here, just making sure that we did not get stuck in a situation where we did get this rejection like we did prior. And again, making sure that we looked for that proof of concept. We never got that proof of concept. Again, getting a possible spike, getting that possible pullback, and then getting that possible engulfing candle to show us confirmation that we are respecting the upper end of our channel. Again, that is our bullish case scenario, making sure that we get confirmation above the upper end of our channel. But again, with our weekly chart, looking to see if we will continue on with this rejection, we need to keep an eye out for any bearish case scenario here that we could be looking for on that possible retest on the lower end of our channel that we did not succeed to get to because, again, Nick Timiraos gave us that possible Fed pivot. Our question is, will we continue on with this momentum that we had before Nick Timiraos mentioned that possible Fed pivot and possibly finally continue on lower to the lower end of our channel? We'll see exactly what happens. But again, we very much are on watch for the dollar here. This is very key that we watch this here. Again, as you guys can see on our MACD, we do have our 12 EMA curling down here, looking to see if we will cross below our 26. That will be the bearish case scenario. Again, getting that decrease in buy pressure here that we have been getting, showing us weakness on the dollar, showing us that we could possibly have a spike in the market. We'll see exactly if we do continue on with this decrease in buy pressure or if the dollar will continue on stronger here and continue on with increases in buy pressure, which will be nice plays to the downside here on the SPY. So again, just keeping in mind that we're looking at our pressure on the dollar to show if we are going to continue on lower here on the SPY. And as far as if we have room to run to the upside, again, we never jumped into overbought territory. I want to make sure we keep mentioning this because at some point in time, we will reach overbought territory. And again, that very much will be because we never did reach overbought territory. And that may be after a continuation on lower on a cool down in the market. Maybe we possibly look for more divergence just over our oversold territory. But again, we do still have that possible bullish case scenario since we never jumped into overbought territory. So again, keeping that in mind, that again, we are open to both scenarios happening and that we are very much looking for that confirmation. And that confirmation will be targeted here at 365 if we do continue on lower. Again, that is exactly what we're looking for here on our VPVR. Again, our volume profile showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within our daily time frame here, showing us that our next target here would be here at 365. This is the most amount of volume that was traded here on the daily chart that we have next coming up. So again, 365 will be our next target. If we continue on below 365, we continue on below lows of the year here, then we will be targeting the lower end of our channel here for that possible continuation on lower. Again, we have 3 jobs data reports coming up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday that very much could determine exactly where we're headed next. Could we hold that sustainability from our jobs reports above the upper end of our channel, or will we get good jobs data reports for that possible continuation on lower? We'll see exactly what happens. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day in the Instabulls room. Most breakouts have been pre-market news into open. We mentioned pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabulls, I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys had a nice week. Hope you guys do enjoy your day off tomorrow, and we will get started on Tuesday. Looking forward to it. Much love to everyone, you guys. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.